Have a good day to all the employers of the Hong Kong. My name is Shirley Amada from Rosario, Batangas, Philippines. I am 36 years old and I'm happily married and blessed 3 children, ages 17 years old, 12 years old, and 4 years old. My highest educational attainment is Bachelor in Science in Nursing, undergraduate. My hobbies are watching TVs, reading, dancing, and sometimes singing. I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 2 years. Serve for a family member of 4, 2 children. And as of now, I'm working with a newborn and have a sibling of 2. My responsibilities during my work are cleaning the house, sweeping the floor, cooking, and wash the dishes, and taking good care of the children. I like to work in Hong Kong to support my children in their education and to earn money for our future. And for my future employer, please hire me as your housemaid because I am trustworthy person, honest, and keeping the house clean. I hope I can work with you as soon as possible. Thank you.